Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an online course directly within Canva. Okay, so Canva has added a new feature where you can be able to create and host your online course on the Canva platform. So to start with, let me show you. You can of course go to canva.com and log in with your account. You have to log in of course with your account, and then you can come over here. So you can see there are two ways to get to that course. You can come to more here from the available courses. You can come to more directly from here, or you can go to create and then go to more. For example, you can come to create over here, and then you'll be able to see it down here under popular. Okay, so you can see it course. So you just click to create to start it. Of course, at the beginning you have to create your own course. It can be under this is a new course, so you can give it a name. For example, let's say Microsoft. Okay, so this is the name of the course, Microsoft Excel for beginners. And then down here you can of course go ahead and give the description of the course. So you can click on this pen icon and you can go ahead and click to give the description of your course. All right, so let's say I have this description. I will just paste it. Course description, let me just delete this. So you can see Microsoft Excel is one of the most essential productivity tools used worldwide for data entry and so on. So the Microsoft Excel for Beginners course is designed to take you from absolute zero to a confident Excel user and so on. By the end of the course, you'll be able to learn some key benefits. So let's say we remove this. Okay, so this is a little bit of my description, and then I can come over here and click on save, and now I have saved this particular course. You can always report back and edit it if you're interested in editing the content. Now these are the activities or the classes that you're going to have. So to edit on any class, all you need is to right click in here. You can import a class from any of these platforms, from Google Drive, from Dropbox, from OneDrive and so on, and you can add a folder on your own if you're interested. You can upload files, you can upload folder. You can come to design and you have this much action. You can choose from an available design, maybe in Canva, within Canva, or you can create your own if you're interested. So let's just go ahead and create our own, and then now you have the option to create that particular class from a doc, from a whiteboard, or from a video with this much detail, or flyer or mobile video, depending on what you are trying to create. So let's start with the first option, which is going to be a doc, for example, and then we're going to have the full detail of our course and maybe the introductory part of the course. So you are here now. This is when you are going to, for example, you can say introduction. Right, so this class is Introduction to Excel. Once you hit on enter, you have the option to copy and paste in your text where you can actually paste in, or you can click on this plus sign and you can use the magic write in Canva to be able to write the introductory part of your class. Okay, you can use design, or you can use all of these editing features. And then for now, let's say I'm going to use the magic design, create a content. All right, so let's say you can just go ahead here and enter, and this is now going to give you a generic introduction to Microsoft Excel, what you need to learn and all the details that you need. So if you like, you can go through it and see which one do you need to make it more like you can edit. You can give in additional or follow-up prompt to be able to make it better. If you are okay with this, you can copy, or you can just go ahead and insert this into your document, and you have basically all of these text editing features to be able to edit and increase the size or decrease accordingly to make some basic edits to your video. And you can even select a section and then go ahead and give it the same prompt, and you can see possibly you can use design, or you can give in another prompt directly and it's going to edit this for you. So this is, let's say, our introduction to Excel. This is our first class. For example, we can say, can remove this and say class 1. Okay, let's say class 1, introduction to Excel. Now once you save this, it's saving automatic, so you can come back to your course and you can see right now it's been updated, introduction to Excel. You can check out the resource if you have any. You can see from templates, you can see resource. Team members can access this if you want. Now you can go to the next class, which is going to be, for example, you can say create a new one, and this time it's going to be a video, for example, and then you can be able to add in different kind of videos that you have recorded or pre-recorded outside of Canva. You can upload them, and then you can go ahead and upload them to this particular one as well. So you can add them easily, and they'll be part of the course and accessible by the students. All right, so once you're here, you can choose from the template, from available templates. So let's say we can let's go to a video just for demonstration purpose. So let's say we'll add this. You can see, let's say we've added this, and then this is now going to be uploaded into our course. Okay, you can see this is a simple video, just a sample video. It's an illustrative form of video. Just a video we've just added. So you can go back in here, and like you can see, we have added something, a resource, and if you like, you can change the title. So let's say about Microsoft Excel. Okay, of course you can keep adding the courses. Okay, keep adding the classes. You can keep adding the classes and be justifying what kind of class you are adding, and adding the relevant resources for that class, whether it's a video, whether it's a document, or whether it's something like a vertical video or thereabout. So you can add as many as you want, and then you can view as a learner from here. So you can click on this, and you can have the learner view from this angle. So this is the learner view. As he's going through the course, he can be able to mark whether it is done or is still undergoing the course. So you can be able to view this as a learner, and once you're done reading this, you can go to the next activity, which is going to mark this as done. Let's give some seconds to save. So you can see the introduction to Excel is marked as done, and then you can go ahead and go through this one as well. Go through the video, and if you are okay with what you have seen as well, you can just click on next activity, and it's going to kind of go ahead and go to the next phase. Okay, so once you click on finish course now, because we have just 2 classes in the module, so you can see course finished, congratulations, nice work, and so on. So this is very, very detailed and very interesting. You can add any details as well from here, and over here you'll be able to see reporting, what you have, what people have done. This course having been assigned yet. If you want to assign the course to people, we can always come to this place called assign course. You can click, and you can add 3 members to this. For example, you can say right, so you can add this. If it's not included, you can create a group. You have to create a group, for example, and call it create a group and call it cohort 1. Okay, for example, and then you can go to next, and then you can be able to add other people. For example, select this guy and add him to the course. Okay, select this guy also and add him to the course, and then you'll be able to see, once you say done, this is going to be sent to them. and you'll be able to see what they are going to learn in this course. So it's very easy to assign, or you can come to these three dots, view other details, turn into a folder. You can rename the course, you can make a copy of the course and create a banner. If you're interested in this banner, you can change it and copy it to another team, move something, or you delete the course directly. These are very key detailed features that you can as well always. You can also add a new class from here as well, create a new class, choose from design and so on. So it's very easy to create a course on this, and you can have this under a particular project. These are all your projects, and then you can have them as a particular project if you're interested. And at any given point, you can try to create a save. And once you are done, you can. So once you're able to assign the course to the people, they will be able to see it and they will be able to join and take the course from their own end. Okay, so you can also view this as a learner continuously to be able to see the updates that you have done, and all those reports. Check the reporting to check how many people have accessed the course and what is their progress in each of the courses that they are taking. So this basically does it on this simple tutorial about how to use the course feature to add a course in Microsoft in Canva platform. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.